that rule? Woohoo!
Well, I was the same thing I did, just faster in my head. I would not have done it that way.
And then?
Square root. Oh, that's going to be a weird
No,
number.
it's not.
It's 1/9.
1/9.
That's a weird number.
That is not a weird number.
That is a weird number.
You're a weird number.
That's what I said.
Oh, I missed that.
I'm Daniel.
Oh, gosh.
I mean, my favorite number
Now, by the way, Daniel, here's what you were talking about is number 9.
Oh, okay.
Find an equation of the tangent line drawn to the graph of g of x when x equals 4. Then draw the tangent line on the grid above. Okay.
Wait, do we have to do this again?
So it's y.
The thing above us? Like the thing. The thing.
That is so descriptive.
So, wait.
Even Wynn can't help you out. She's just looking at me like, I don't know.
Well, we did for number 8 for number 9. No.
No. Yes.
So you would plug in 4 for x and the g of it? Like in the
Yes, that's your pot.
Oh, we're doing
Would
and
it
then
be-
you put it in the formula at the beginning.
Would it be y plus 1/2 equals 1/9 x minus 4?
How would it be 1/2?
No.
No?
But you're close.
Close.
Okay, so g of 4.
Yeah.
Plug it into the original.
Times the square root of 2. 4 minus 2 plus 2.
Oh, the original? Oh, that's
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, because it's pot. Point of tangency.
It's 2.
It's 2? Yeah, it is.
It's 4 minus 4 plus 2.
Okay. Sot. Now we do g prime of
X, 4.
4. So that's why it's not 1/9, because that was g prime of 1/9.
So it's 1/2 minus 1. Yeah, it's 1/2. Right?
Okay.
Or is it negative 1/2?
It's 1 over the square root of 4 minus 1. It is negative 1/2. So now, Daniel, what's the equation?
Y minus 2 equals 1/2. Negative
Negative
1/2 times x minus 4.
We did it. Yeah.
And then we're supposed to graph that up here.
We'll find positive 2. Right? No, it's 4, 2. I don't know.
What was my point? Yeah, it was 4, 2.
This.
Right here. And the slope at that point
It's
is
negative
negative
1/2.
1/2.
So it's down 1 over 2. It's, yeah. There's a point.
Well, it looks like it was barely above and
There's a
below.
point.
So it looks like that.
We did it.
Sounds like you're singing like that Blues thing.
Yeah.
We did it. We did it. Isn't that?
I think that is blues.
Okay, the table of values below
Dora?
Yeah.
represents the value on the graph of the derivatives h prime of x of the polynomial blah blah blah. The zeros indicated in the table are the only zeros of the graph.
Nothing tricky.
So use the table to answer questions 10 through 15. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a number line under this.
Oh, we're doing that.
Yes.
What do you put positive?
So when h prime of x is equal to 0,
It's.
that's at negative 2, right?
But it also equals 0 at 7. Yeah.
And it's 7. So to the left of negative 2, what's h prime of x?
11. Positive.
Positive. In between negative 2 and 7,
Negative.
negative.
Was I wrong though? She said
No.
11 and 5.
And then greater than
Negative.
7,
Negative.
negative. Okay, so hopefully that information will help us answer these questions. On what intervals is the function h of x?
Oh.
Notice it's going back to h of x.
You know, when what we don't have.
It's increasing from
Negative
negative
8 to
infinity to
negative
negative 2.
Okay.
Oh, wait, negative.
Yeah, negative infinity. You're right.
Okay, so h of x, you said, is increasing where?
Negative infinity to negative 2.
Why?
Because it's positive.
H of x is greater than 2.
Yes. H prime of x, not it.
It is positive.
H prime of x is positive. Or if you put greater than 0, if you put is plus, that's fine. All right, so when is h of x decreasing?
From negative 1 to negative or
To
positive
7.
infinity.
Negative 2 to 7.
Negative 2 to 7.
Union.
Oh, 2.
10 to infinity.
7.
Oh, yeah. No, yeah, 7. Wait, what? Yeah,
7
7.
to,
Infinity.
all right. Why?
Because f prime of x is
Is
less
greater.
than 0.
Greater than.
The other one was greater than.
Less than.
The other one was greater than.
Oh,
Decreasing
okay,
when it's
my bad.
negative.
I thought we
You
did.
know.
I thought we did.
We're deep.
Oh,
I don't even wrote over and over. Decreasing.
Very good. At what x value does the graph of h of x have a relative maximum?
Negative 2.
So h of x has a relative max
Because it changes from positive to negative.
at x equals negative 2 because what?
F prime of x changes from positive to negative.
Yes.
We don't have a min.
You don't have to make that a point. You don't have to make it negative 2.
I was thinking we had to do that too, but like she didn't do it. So.
Why do you do plus 2? And then
I don't know. h of x does not have a relative min.
Can I just write no
Because,
relative min?
say that again.
Can I just write no relative min in all caps?
no.
Well, you have to get the because.
Does not exist.
Because it's not there.
Because
it's
h
not
prime of x,
Doesn't change
Negative.
from negative to positive.
yes, never changes from negative to positive.
Mm-hmm.
13. If h of 3 equals 2, all right, what is the equation of the tangent line to the graph of h of x at x equals negative 3, and then the normal line?